Flag! That is going buck wild.
Oh, I got lost.
No.
Oh, wait.
Nope, still there. It looks like it's there. Perch.
A fatty perch.
Yellow perch. What a beaut.
Look at all that line.
Yeah, that thing was running.
She's a fat girl.
Yeah, she is. Look at that. What a beautiful fish. One of my favorites, the perch. Not the target species, but what are you gonna do? So on the way home from the last pond, we stopped here, Little Ossipee Lake. Great selection of species here. We got rainbows, we got brookies, we got smallmouth, largemouth, crappie. Oh, I got a flag. What do you know? I think I lost it. Shiner. This one's dead. Someone just ripped that halfway across the pond. So you got here a little bit late, and the spot that we were looking to go to was taken, fully taken, by multiple groups of people. So we went to the other side to a point. It's a lot more flat than I'd like it to be. But we're getting on them. It is windy as hell and cold. The hulls are freezing over immediately. But the bite's on, so we're staying.
Alright, so this guy, over, pilot. Okay, I see your flame.
Nice. So 30 seconds. We got heat.
24, 23, 22, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so then I let go, and then not slow. Oh, wow. Dude, there's long stuff coming. Oh, beautiful. Try again. I got it in my jacket right now. Ooh. Like learning?
Al's got a flag. Oh, she's moving. It's that kind of day. Holes freeze up in 10 seconds.
Why do they keep doing this when they hit it and then they don't do anything?
It definitely spun. You saw it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But every time I've set it, when it's like this, I don't get the fish. Alright. Ooh.
Yeah?
I think it was in the weeds. Whatever it was. Bastard.
Oh, it took the fish. There goes another shiner. Back in the hook. Oh shit, my jackery's off. It's probably long gone by now. Nope, it's there. Let's go. Oh, it's got some weight. All right, there we go. That's what I love about the jaw jack, is right in the lip. Nice brook trout. No, you won't be supper. Let's get you out of here. Brook trout's probably my least favorite trout to eat. I like never keep them. Maybe once in a blue moon if I got hook them, but yeah, they're 2 hit or miss. Nice, we got a fish. So like I was saying, here we got smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, we got crappie, perch, rainbow trout, brook trout, cusk. That's about it, but there's some really nice bass in here. We haven't gotten any yet, but this is all that they want today. Let's see what happens next. Look at that. See it?
I see your bait.
Is it making that movement itself?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Stop.
There's not a single thing around it. Ooh, that was a hot, wet fat.
In the tent? Oh, dude, that stinks. Oh, dude.
The other one is I'm feeding me cheese, dude.
You're coming in this house.
Oh, flash.
For me?
Yep. Wooden.
Wooden flag. Old school banger. Let's go. Oh, it's ripping. That just moved the trap. Oh, shoot. This could be good. I don't think it knows it's coming in yet. Oh, I see it under the ice. It's huge. This is huge. Oh, head shakes. It's a bass. It's a good bass. It's a good bass, dude.
Yeah? Good time.
Come here. Ah. There we go. Hell yeah. Nice little bass there. That was fun. That's a good fish. Had a good fight to it. Right in the lip. It doesn't get any better than that. Man, this is a fun day. There we go. Let's say goodbye. There she goes. Awesome. There's my bait. There's my hole. Freaking wind is so bad. Holy crap. Whew. That was a wind explosion.
Fucking spoiled, dude, is what it is. This is way too warm in here.
I know.
You got mono in here?
I have Flora.
Whatever.
Yeah.
You got it in here?
It's in my my box, which should be in my sled. Yeah, ripped a jaw jacker and a tip up. Clean out the hole. I've never seen that happen before.
Right here, next to me.
Ooh, the jaw jack is going up. Oh yeah. This is gonna be a trout. Well, that feels good. No! Damn, that felt good. Fuck.
Is he right at the ice?
Yeah, he was right there. I think I kicked it out of his mouth.
Real frozen up?
That's all. Good fish, man.
That was a word, right?
Yeah, first time something's hit the wax worm today. I thought the line snapped. Just me being an idiot. This is my go-to trout setup. Little teeny tiny. Oh. Little teeny tiny wax worm. It's like the size of your fingernail. Teeny tiny jig. There you go. Trout candy right there. They love it. Pop it in shallow, halfway down, and wait. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful sub.
Yeah, that shit's fucking awesome, isn't it? My shit was fucking on point.
Look at that bad boy.
beautiful. Most beautiful find I've ever seen.
That's a plug for, where's that? Nana's in Attleboro. It's a good looking boy. The olive oil is kind of frozen. What are you gonna do? What do they say in those videos? Let's get this bite. Let's get this bite. Oh. Ice is real slick. Yeah, she going.
See what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I pull it right now, it's going to pull it out of its mouth.
You think so?
Yep.
Oh. It's spinning.
See, I think he's eating it right now. You see the little...
Oh, yeah. Got him? Woo! Decent brookie. You cutie.
It's a nice colors.
Yeah. Good job, man. It's not moving. It's dragged to the side, though. It's going that way.
If it's dragged to the side, it could be the face.
Look at how iced over that is, though. I have to bust it. Something's there. It's got some heft to it.
So where's that fish?
Tickle. Made me get out of the cold for that. I'm real low on China's, huh? Bunch of sticklebacks.
It's probably almost that time that we should start picking up anyways.
I don't know. Well, till it's officially that time. We gotta keep fishing. Might have to use a stickleback. I don't even see any shiners.
I haven't seen any in a while. Dude, this really just freaks over in 2.2 seconds.
Sounds like Al's got one. And with the base. The American base. Let him do his thing. We gotta get rebaited. If anyone could tell me what that is, I'll get you a better view. So we're probably in, I'd say 5 or 6 feet of water. And that whole, we've run the gamut. We got pickerel, but we also got a beautiful rainbow.